This right here is Antheus color shift. This is a 5-color color shift. So you're talking, correct me if I'm wrong, pinks, purples, blues, oranges, and ambers.
Yeah.
All in one little bag. And what are we gonna do with this Antheus color shift? We're gonna drop it over a base that makes no sense at all. Carbon Drab. We had the Carbon Drab on the Mustang. We knew that we wanted to use it for something special, and we looked at the pearl rack and we thought, what would be the one pearl that makes the least amount of sense? And here we are. Are you worried?
No.
Okay. Well, neither am I. We're gonna go 5 grams a gallon. You guys have been watching these videos long enough. You know when we go risky, the lighter pigment load gives us the best chance of success. So, 5 grams a gallon total. We're gonna take it 1 coat at a time. What we're hoping for is to maintain that unique carbon drab green look, but with a multicolor lens on top. But we don't want to suffocate the green, right? We want it to still play a role. This is not going to work at all.
Correct. Well, I think the green is dark enough to where it's actually going to make the Antheus show up and work the way we hope it will work.
Yeah, we'll be fine. So here's Antheus, and as you can see as it's swirling around, you're going to see a whole bunch of different tones and hues kind of poking out there. Right here, I can see the pinks, I can see the purple violets, I can see the gold ambers, I can see a little bit of blue highlights. Let me show you the old stick of truth here. Definitely. See, look, even in the liquid versus the stick, it's completely different. So here's what you're going to see here. A little bit of this. See that? A little bit of that. Little that. Look how it doesn't even match the liquid. This is going to be crazy. All right. Antheus over Carbon Drab. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and I'll just say 2 things. First, we had no idea what we were going to get combining these 2 colors together. And second, there is no way to get the end result that we got without combining these 2 colors together. I can't wait for you guys to see it. We're going to take it outside right now, and you know what to do. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Rate this one for me, 1 through 5. And if you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of kits and a ton of colors. They're all DIY friendly. Gabe and I had a blast on this video. I hope you had fun watching it. I'll see you on the next one.